And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Unice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So today they sent over a Waterwave texture, and this is actually their Bye Bye Knots wig, which I feel like I review a lot on my YouTube channel. They also sent it in a 7x5 lace closure, you guys, in 24 inches. So this one has the built-in adjustable strap, as you guys just saw. It is built in, so you will have to cut it out if you don't want it there, and it's not removable. And of course it comes with that tightening band that goes along the nape, which I absolutely love when it comes to closure wig units. And yeah, so also I just want to let you guys know before I forget that I did go in and curl define this hair. So this hair does not look like this, like as fluffy as it is straight out the packaging. I did activate the curls by literally using water and my curl define brush and letting it air dry. That's pretty much all I did, and I made sure that I did not touch the baby hairs because I wanted to make sure that I was able to, you know, show you guys what this hair line looks like straight out the box and things of that such. So because this is more of like a quick hair tutorial, hair video, I just came on camera with my hair already curl defined. So if you are wanting your hair to be more fluffy, because I know you guys always ask, how do I get my hair so fluffy? I just don't use hair products in my hair. So literally water and let it air dry outside. That's it. So again, this is their Bye Bye Knots wig unit, you guys, so it does come bleached very beautifully. Never have a problem with their knots being overly bleached or like overly processed. They do a really good job with that, you guys. Also, the knots are really small. This one also comes with the pre-cut lace, you guys, and also the baby hairs are already done for you, so you know you can touch those up however it is that you like. I know when this kind of style came out with the baby hairs already done for you, I felt like you will always need to go in and, you know, maybe pluck the hairline or the baby hairs, or like pull some hair out so that it can match your face, because all baby hairs do not match everyone's face, you get what I mean? And also everybody's baby hair placement is different as well. So I just end up using the baby hairs that came for me, and I tried to take out and pluck as much as I possibly could to make it, you know, fit my face. I didn't really want to do too much, you guys, to be completely honest. So yeah, but other than that, this was a pretty decent wig unit. I feel like I've reviewed this hair before as well. I don't remember, but for some reason I feel like I've reviewed this type of wig before. I did use some spray, as you guys could see, again, that could be found in my Amazon storefront. This was supposed to be 100% completely glueless, but because it came with those baby hairs, I needed a way to lay those down, so I couldn't do nothing about that. But anyways, if you are looking for like really quick wig units, put on and goes, wet and wavy wigs, you guys should definitely check out this one, and also Unice, because I feel like they are pretty consistent when it comes to their wig units. I'm not sure of the density of this wig, but I'm sure when you guys click on the link, it'll show you down in the description box, and I'll also like try to see if I can find an extra hair company with the density of this wig unit as well. So it's pretty full. I actually really like the density. And also I just want to make sure I tell you guys, when it comes to fluffing out this hair, you want to make sure that you don't fluff it out too much, because you will lose the curl pattern. This is a water wave texture, and I feel like those textures kind of go away a little faster than, you know, something that's a little bit more curly. So as you guys can see, I'm not really running my fingers all the way through it because I want to keep that wave. So that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.